Alright guys, so we're gonna go after the secret skin. So how do you get the secret skin? Well, that's right here. That's the skin. Let me just show you before anything. In your battle pass, you're gonna see this skin right here. So here it is. So what do you do to unlock this skin? It's pretty easy. Again, all you have to do is just go and do your quests. You can just view them from here. And there you go. Just unlock every single thing and then you're gonna get here. That's all you have to do. So it's basically just playing the game. So augments, just play the game, stay alive, do it 5 times, you're done. I would maybe do that in Team Rumble. This, complete bounties, this doing a real game. Defeat a boss, yeah, it's better to do in a real game sometimes. Sometimes Team Rumble. And then emote, same thing. This can be done, I mean, you're gonna go here if you're gonna kill the boss anyways. So you're gonna use your pickaxe just to hit people until you get that 500. So we're gonna start off with the most basic, which is this. Augmentations, we're just gonna keep doing that as we go throughout the game. But we're gonna try to complete some bounties. I would guess that's the hardest one because you have to do 3 of them. And we're gonna jump really far away. Alright, so for the bounties, like I said, we wanna go somewhere far away. So I made another mark here. And that's just to make sure you can actually get the bounty. Alright, so we just landed here. A bounty board looks like this. Just click on it, accept the bounty, and there you go. Just chase it down. Obviously you need a gun. You actually need to kill that person. So that was 1 bounty completed. There's only 2 more to go. And finally, that was the bounty. So it's 2 bounties. Let's complete the 3rd bounty. Alright, got the bounty. So that was the 3rd bounty. Alright, so we did the bounty. We just need to defeat the boss. So again, that's this challenge where you have to just emote there. Obviously, it's better if you land there. Okay, the boss still alive. So there's killing the boss. Completed that quest. Let's get 2 of these so I won't die. Exchange that. This is the throne room. So we can just emote here. And those are 2 quests done all at once. Okay, so Cartino, once you knock somebody down, do not finish them off, okay? I need to pickaxe them. Oh, I missed that shot. Oh, come on. Okay, do not finish him off. Do not finish him off. Need to pickaxe him. This will count. Okay, that counted a little bit. Yeah, I forgot the mutations is different matches. So I need to go into 2 different matches. If I can. Alright. He was just 1 pickaxe away though. Anyway, so right now we unlocked the spray. We unlock this. Plus this emote. Which is pretty awesome. Okay, do not kill this dude. So here we go, pickaxing, best way. Okay, augmentations. Let's do that. Do not finish him off. I need this pickaxe to complete my quest. I don't know if I completed my quest yet, but we're getting closer. Wait, that completed that quest. Yeah, that was the last one that I had to do for that. It's just 1 more match for augmentations, and then we got the skin. Alright, so finally we get this harvesting tool. And just claim. Okay, here comes my augmentation. So that's 5 out of 5 augmentations. So that means we completed all quests. That's why I don't see them here. Yeah, all quests completed. I'm missing all my shots, guys. Finally got him. So right now we finally got this, so we can... In this case, I'm going to equip it. I'm also going to equip this so you can see how it looks, but I can also just claim it. And that's it. We got the skin. Here we go. Let's not forget about the emote. And obviously we're wearing the back bling as well. And that would be it. It's that easy.